Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music to SoundCloud. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To add music to SoundCloud application, first open up SoundCloud app and make sure that you're logged in. From the home page of SoundCloud, tap on the arrow button facing towards the upper side at the top right hand corner. Now, you'll need to choose a file to upload from your mobile device. So tap on OK in the pop-up. You can now browse to your most recent files or any location like iCloud, Google Drive, Dropbox, or local files and audio from any compatible application. The upload feature supports any audio file from your mobile device. Simply select any song you'd like to upload and you'll be able to upload music to SoundCloud. You can now go back to your profile and see your newly uploaded track. That is how you'll be able to upload a music on your SoundCloud. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.